Hello, children. Welcome back to the English 1 session. As you all know, in the previous session, we have learned the lesson Grandma, isn't it? Today, we are going to do reading, and after reading, we are going to learn a new concept, that is, who said this. Okay, children, I'll explain it later on. First, let us read the lesson. So, children, I want all of you to open your English 1 textbook to page number 37. I hope all are ready, children. Okay, now what you have to do is keep your finger on the book and repeat after me. Okay. Lesson number 4, Grandma. Grandma is sitting in her rocking chair. She is rocking slowly, forwards and backwards, forwards and backwards. The rocking chair is making a noise. Creak, squeak, creak, squeak. Grandma shuts her eyes. Jessica, Surbi, Brain and Shyly come into the room. They can hear the rocking chair. Creak, squeak, creak, squeak. The children look at Grandma. Grandma's eyes are shut. The children giggle. Now turn the page. Grandma opens one eye. She smiles. Are you tired, Grandma? Jessica asks. The rocking chair does not stop rocking. Please tell us, Grandma, says Surbi. What can we do? What can you do? Asks Grandma. What can you do? Grandma smiles. You can do anything, she says. You can write. You can read. You can play. You can sing. You can dance. Can you dance, Grandma? Asks Brain. No, no, says Grandma. My bones are old. Creak, squeak, creak, squeak. Can you fly, Grandma? Asks Shyly. Can you jump over the moon, Grandma? Asks Jessica. Can you ride a cycle, Grandma? Asks Surbi. Next page now. The rocking chair stops rocking. Can you see a bird in that tree? Asks Grandma. Yes, say the children. Good, says Grandma. Now fly away and play with it. The children run away. Grandma smiles. The rocking chair starts rocking. Creak, squeak, creak, squeak. Okay, children, this is the lesson of Grandma. And in this lesson, children, we are not going to learn the question answers. They are lengthy question answers. So, this lesson question answers, we are going to skip them. Okay. And today we are going to learn a new concept, that is, who said this? That means, children, the dialogues from the lessons will be given. You have to read the dialogues and write the name of the person who has said that dialogue. Is it clear? Okay, here are a few examples, children. Look here. Question number 1. Who said this? Okay. The first one. See here. Can you dance, Grandma? Here, remember, children, these are dialogues. So we have to write it into inverted commas. This is called as open inverted comma and this is called as closed inverted comma. Okay. Now remember, when you are writing, you have to begin the sentence with a capital letter. See here. Can you dance? Put a comma and write Grandma. Grandma G should be capital. And remember, this is a question. So you have to put a question mark at the end and close the inverted comma. Okay. So the first one here. Can you dance, Grandma? This sentence or this statement was said by, it was asked by Brain to his grandmother, isn't it? So we write here Brain. Second one. Can you fly, Grandma? Here also see, we have written, you should write all the dialogues into inverted commas, okay? And as it is a question, you have to put a question mark at the end. This question was asked by Shaili to her grandmother, okay? Now the third one. Can you jump over the moon, Grandma? Here also see, inverted commas are there, comma is there, capital G is there and question mark is there. Okay. This question was asked by Jessica. Okay. Now the next one. Can you ride a cycle, Grandma? Who asked this? This was asked by Surbi. Okay. Now the fifth one. Can you see a bird in that tree? Who asked this question? This question was asked by Grandma. Okay, children, these are the 5 sentences for who said this. Now the next question, question number 2 is write true or false. Here a few sentences are given for true or false. Let us discuss them. Okay. The first one. The children looked at Grandma. This is true. So we have written here true. The rocking chair is making a noise. Yes, the rocking chair was making creak squeak noise, right? So it is true. Next. The rocking chair moves sideways. Was it moving sideways? No, it was moving forwards and backwards, isn't it? So this sentence is false. Next, Grandma is rocking very fast. Was Grandma rocking very fast? No, she was rocking slowly. As she is old, she was rocking slowly, right? So this sentence is also false. Next sentence, the children play with the bird. This sentence is true because when grandma said, "Can you see the bird?" Children said yes. So grandma said, "Go run away and play with the bird." So the children ran away to play with the bird, right? So this sentence is true. Okay, children? Now, today what you are going to do is, for your homework, you are going to read the lesson once again, and then you are going to write these two questions. That is, who said this, and true or false in your notebook. Is it clear, children? Okay, this is all for today. We are going to stop here and continue in the next session. Thank you, children.